Hey guys, it's Yolanda and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today's video is gonna be a cute little pack with me, get ready with me for a trip. Kinda, yeah. I leave tomorrow morning, so I need to get everything packed real quick and get all of that situated just so I know if I need to like run to the store and grab anything, any last minute things. I do believe I have everything that I need just because I went on a trip last week to Universal, which that video should be out already. Go check it out. I did just go on that trip, so I did buy like any last minute toiletries that I needed. I don't think I'll have to run and grab anything, but you never know. I'm just gonna get started packing up. My luggage is right here. I didn't put it away because I knew I was gonna need it this week too, because usually I just throw it inside of my check bag and then I throw that in my closet like behind all my clothes. So yeah, that's that. But the first thing I do want to do really fast is figure my outfits out and have those solidified and ready to go, just because I don't like to say I'm a fashion girly, but my outfits do matter and they do determine how I feel that day. So I want to make sure all my outfits are cute and something I'll be comfortable in and something I will be happy in wearing all day. So I do have my two fits right here. I am going, oh wait, I didn't even say where I'm going. That's silly of me. Sorry guys. So I'm going to New York City for 3 days. I leave tomorrow morning. I am going to see my plays that I've been wanting to see, which I will get into that maybe later in the video. This trip is happening. I leave tomorrow. But one thing is that it is snowing there, I think right now, or it's going to start snowing tomorrow morning. So I really need to pack like warm, bundled up, cozy fits because I do not want to freeze. One bad thing about me is if I wear too many layers, I start sweating and then I get uncomfortable. So I need like that happy medium of like, I'm a little chilly, but I'm not freezing. But yeah, that's kind of how I decided on what my outfits are going to be. So yeah, I'm going to try those on. I'm going to show you guys. Let me know what you think. Comment below which one you like, even though I would have already worn these outfits by the time this video comes out. Also, I'm still congested, guys. I've been congested all of 2026. It feels like. It will be away soon, I promise. I'm just, you know, taking my vitamins, taking my immunity shots. Let's see how these fits look. Okay, guys, this angle is gonna be a little weird, but it's the best I can do right now. Here is outfit option one. I have like this long skirt. I do have this Harry Potter shirt. Context, I'm going to the Harry Potter play, Cursed Child play. And I bought this in May, I think, when I went to the Chicago store, and I just haven't worn it yet. Here's option one. I don't think I'm feeling it just because I think it's giving like teacher vibes, and that's not my vibe. But here's option two, and I totally forgot I wanted to like layer my jacket on. Maybe I'll try the Harry Potter shirt with this jacket on, but I still don't think I'll like it, so we'll see. Here's like option two. Okay guys, you have to trust the process. Here's kind of like what I was trying to go for, and then my hair would be curled and I would have this purse. I also got this purse from the Goodwill. She was $6. Look how cute she is, and she's so versatile. There's like a wallet built in. Like, that's amazing. Guys, I'm really struggling because I'm trying not to buy like clothes, but here's option two. I don't think, let me try with it open. I would have my docs on as well. I don't want to put on because those will take me like 10 years to take off. So it's giving baggy, it's giving like low effort, but also like she tried a little bit. Also, my hair will look a lot nicer. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it is so hard for me to imagine like if an outfit is going to be cute if my hair is a mess. And right now it's a mess. So yeah, it is a little hard. So maybe they are cuter than I think they are, but like when my hair is just not giving what I need it to give, then it is more difficult for me. I have these to wear like with my fit. Actually, this outfit might win, I think. Also, imagine some earmuffs, guys, and a scarf and some gloves. I think I like her the most with my docs, or if it's not like snowing too bad, maybe I'll take my flats. I think I like this the most. I think it's just giving like basic but cute and comfy. And New York, like, I feel like this outfit is the most New York outfit. Just like the pop of blue with the black and the black, like it looks really good. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm thinking my chunky hoops, because these are always so cute. Yeah, come on. Day one outfit complete. I'm gonna put this over here so she's ready to pack. Okay, this is outfit number 2. She's cute. She's just really basic, but I mean, at the end of the day, I'm just a basic girl. Or not basic, but like a girl with a basic style. I would wear this purse, and then I would wear my leather jacket with this. I think she's cute. If I really wanted to, I could tuck her in, but I kind of like the baggy look. She's cute though. Basic, but cute. All right, I'm gonna change out of this and then get ready to go, just because I need to go take care of my mom's little puppies. Yeah, we're gonna go do that for a couple hours, grab a coffee, and then probably come back here and finish up with the packing. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Guys, I think I'm gonna play Twilight. I've just been seeing so many videos on my For You page, and I think this just needs to happen. I'm not really like a Twilight girl, but like it's been on my feed and like I need to see it. So let's start packing. I don't know, I'm kind of iffy with my outfit with my pants. I don't know, it's just not my favorite, and I don't know if I want to take the shirt. I know I can pack this outfit, I think. So I've decided I'm gonna wear this on the second day, just because I think it's just a lot cuter. You know, I'm gonna be there for the entire day. I'm not flying in, or I'm not leaving or anything, so I want to be cute all day. I do need to iron this, so I'm actually gonna leave that out, and I do need to iron the pants as well. I have the pants, we're gonna leave those out. I'm going to wear to the airport. It's gonna be my coat basically. And then I'll pack this. But yeah guys, I'm really excited. I was just looking on TikTok right now of like everything I like want to do, so I put it all in a note. Of course I'm not going to get to everything, but those are some things that I kind of want to maybe try and revolve my day around. Like, say I want to go to one of these places, so I'll like start my day there, and like I'll just see what's around and all of that. My earmuffs are still not here, but Amazon said they'd be delivered between 8 and 10 p.m. and it did say they were out for delivery, so I have hope that she'll get here on time. Find a good way to fold this. But yeah, I know, so I'm staying in Soho, and there are so many like places to shop and all that, so I think honestly I'm just going to like put this outfit on and then see if I can find a cuter shirt. I'm gonna take these jeans that are from Old Navy. I love Old Navy jeans. They are my absolute favorite. That's that. I do need to pack like some PJs as well, and then I need to go grab my toiletries too. Independent. Okay, hey girls, don't mind Twilight in the background, but I think I have everything like clothing wise packed. Okay, so I have this shirt with the skirt. I have the pair of jeans I'm gonna wear the day I leave. I'm also bringing that black shirt as just like a backup, just in case I do need something. I don't know, I like to plan some sort of extra outfit just in case. Sweatpants and a t-shirt for sleeping. I'm just gonna wear the same one every night. Towel, because I am staying at like this hostel place because it was just the cheapest. But yeah, I'm staying there, and then that's why I have the sandals as well. I've never stayed at a hostel before, so I am a little nervous, but all the reviews on TikTok were like, it's so cute, super clean, and it's like individual rooms as well, which is like what made me decide like, okay, this is good. And then also it was my cheapest option, and we're on a budget here. So that is all for like clothing items. I am gonna wear that first outfit tomorrow morning to the airport. And then like we'll see if I want to change from there. But now I'm gonna get like all of my toiletries and stuff and put all of that in here. I did put like hair dryer and curling iron in here because I know I'm gonna use both of them. This I'm gonna use tomorrow, and then this I'm gonna use the next day because I'm gonna wash my hair that day. Yeah, but here's how she's looking. I have my neck pillow right there. It's gonna be great. My package is here with my earmuffs. Also eating a Dubai chocolate. I've been obsessed with these. It's really bad. Like it's concerning how obsessed I am. These better fit my head. If they don't, wait. Ooh. Wait, they're cute. Oh, wait! I love. Ooh, I'm gonna start wearing these. These are cute. Okay, I'm obsessed. And they're very soft too, so yay! I put all my toiletries in here, which this has like toothbrush, loofah, body wash, face wash, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair oil, and then my brushes are in here. So yeah, everything's going good. I'm packing my makeup right now. I was until I got a notification that these were here. So I'm gonna keep doing that and I'll be back. Okay, hey girls. So I think I have everything that needs to be packed. So that's great. And then the clothes, and then my camera stuff, which I'm leaving next to my camera. And then my backpack. Oh, I'm gonna put these with my camera bag as well. But my backpack, she's kind of empty. All I have is like my scarf, winter stuff in here, and then my purse with all of my purse stuff. My camera bag is gonna go in here, and then I'll put like my chargers and that stuff in here, and then I think I'm good. And then I still need a shower, and I need to run to the ATM, but I think that's all. But I can't shut my luggage just yet because I put my skincare in the bag just so I don't forget it. So I'm gonna have to grab it again after my shower, do my skincare, put it back. But I just wanted it in there, so like I know. I think that is all though for the video. But yeah, I'm super duper excited for this trip. This is my first ever like completely solo trip. Kind of scary, but it's New York, and when I went in July, it was just, I loved it so much. Like one of, I think like my favorite city so far that I've ever visited. So I definitely do feel comfortable going there by myself. It's also like the transportation, so super easy. I'm not worried about how I'm gonna get from point A to point B. There is always a way to get somewhere in New York. So I still haven't done my nails, but I think I'm just gonna rock the no nails. Putting nails on right now is just actually like the last thing I want to do. Yeah, I think that is all for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.